Welcome to the walkthrough of my solution for the take-home assessment of the document collection problem. And why this problem? Because in tax accounting, document collection is not static because an accountant needs a dynamic checklist that is derived from prior year tax returns and mid-session disclosures, while incoming documents arrive across family members over 6 weeks. So I designed this platform simply around three core principles: strictly deterministic, non-destructive derived engine that is pure in framework agnostic Python service layer, and automated signal based classifier that extracts all real text from PDFs and scores confidence across documents and areas like tax year, person ownership, and these, and also auto applies clear matches while isolating the edge cases that is has to be an accountant review queue. And UI is uh, responsive and slightly inspired by Mentalify. So let's get started with the document checklist. And looking at it, we can clearly see uh, the Ribora household for tax year 2025. The system has automatically uh, derived from the baseline requirement from previous year facts, one joint from 1020 40 to uh, 2024 to verify the baseline AGI and carryovers, while government IDs for both adult signing printers like Anna and Lois, and two for other for Anna because she had two employers in 2024, also for Lois. And notice we can see every single item has featured why it is needed, rationally directly derived from the rule-based engine, giving the accountant instant clarity on the audit trail behind every checklist. So let's go with our engagement process. And now we can see we have clear upload, and that is when uploaded, our PDF number classifier extract the pure text stream matches with our IRS from pattern. Uh, you can see here. So the confidence is 100%, obviously, and well above average 75% auto applies the threshold. The system immediately binds the document to Anna's open W2 sorry slots and mark it as received for without requiring any manual intervention. And since okay, so that is all for this engagement process. Also, there can be awkward cases. So for that, let's go with that. So you can see confidence score is 75%, which is exactly why, because in real tax practice, clients send tricky files, wrong years, unreadable scripts, unreaded documents. So the prompt specifically asks for robust handling these awkward cases. And here in our system, uh, here you can clearly see it is derived, but uh, not in because our system has flagged 2021 uh, awkward case because that uh, it does not match with 2025. So for 2021, it is refused to auto apply it and warrantified for human review. So the receipt scan is yielded zero text texture, so classifier honestly score it at 75, which is uh, not required for this. So here it can be reject. Uh, and back to the checklist that's for yes most crucial requirement in the non-deterministic derivation. In February, the accountant marks the yeah. So these services are marked with non-deterministic, and when we record the job event and trigger the read our engine uses the deterministic stable dependencies. So it expected the field input while expecting all human accountant overrides it and not needed. The status remains intact with stale corruption. So our classifier is designed based on this principle. And under the hood, all the business logic in services contains all zero framework dependencies. Here we can also run our service running, and our test suite covers all 40 comprehensive cases spanning multi-page 1040 packets, timeline, or reconciliation or signal scoring. So yeah, can say test is running and it must be successfully handling all the cases. Okay, there is some warning from dependency side. So thank you for your time and review. The full code base is attached and documentation coming. Everything is available in this repository.